Welcome back to Binary Bees, where we make data simple, one byte at a time. I am Anuj, and today we are covering the 5 Excel formula that every fresher must know before their first job. Let's start with our first formula. This is most basic but most used formula in every office. Here we have to calculate sum of total sales of all product. To get this, we'll write sum formula equal to sum open bracket and then select our all sales number close bracket. Here it is. But what if your manager says to calculate sum of laptop product only? That's where SUMIF became powerful. In order to write this, we'll press equal to then SUMIF. Then we have to select our product range, comma, then which product we wanted to sum. Here I am sum the laptop product, then comma, then I have to select the sum range and then closing the bracket. Total 2,39,000 total sales of laptop. Now let's start with formula number 3. If you heard of VLOOKUP before, XLOOKUP is way smarter than VLOOKUP. Imagine if you have employee ID and want salary instantly. To get this, let me write the XLOOKUP formula is equal to XLOOKUP, then lookup value. I am selecting here D2 is my lookup value. Then I have to select the lookup array. Here I am selecting the employee ID. Then I am selecting the return array, closing the bracket. Now if I wanted to get the salary of employee ID E105, here it is. 72,000 is salary of employee ID 105. Now I wanted to get the salary of employee 110, E110. Here it is. Now let's start with formula number 4, that is if formula. This is the formula that makes Excel feel like a magic. It lets Excel make decisions for you. Here I am writing a formula where students who are scoring 50 or less are marked as fail and students scoring above 50 are marked as pass. To write this, greater than equal to 50 is pass and remaining are fail. Rahul, who was scoring 78, which is more than 50, Excel marked as pass. Let me drag down the formula. Priya, who scored 45, which is obviously less than 50, she marked as fail. Similarly, Ria, who scored 91, which is obviously above than 50, she marked as pass by Excel. Now let's do some conditional formatting here. This we have to go in conditional formatting, then highlighting cell rules. Then we'll select text that contains pass. Let me green color the pass students, and who are failed, let me do red color. Here it is. Excel making decisions for you. Next, COUNTIF. This counts how many times something appears in your data. Like here, we have to count how many past students are there. To write this, We'll select equal to COUNTIF. Then I have to select the range, then comma, then criteria. Here we have to count the past students number. I am writing the pass and closing the bracket. Here it is. 7 students who have passed. Similarly, I am writing the fail student count here. To write this, COUNTIF, again selecting the range, comma, writing here fail. 3 student who got failed. I can get the count here for fail students. Now the last one that is very underrated. It's concat function. Here we have to merge first and last name as full name. In order to write this, I'll press equal to. I'm then selecting the first name, then and. Here we also have to put space between first and last name. To do this, I am selecting the space and then again and then choosing the last name. Here it is. It is merging name smoothly. A bonus tip before I go. Press Ctrl Shift L to add filter instantly. Here it is. This shortcut alone will make you look like an Excel expert in front of anyone. That's your Excel starter pack. 5 formulas, 1 shortcut, and you are ready for day 1 at any office. If this was helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to Binary Bees. We post Excel tips every week. Comment below which formula you will use first. I read every single comment.